Hi, I'm Tammy Brawley with the Green Kitchen. We are here today at Old Tavern Farm in New Kent, filming inside their greenhouse because they are getting ready for spring. As you can see the seedlings back behind me. And what does spring mean? Spring means strawberries, delicious red strawberries. And today we're actually going to make some strawberry butter, and we're going to get started with that. We have got a half a cup of butter, or approximately 1 stick, and we have it softened in our bowl here, and we have a potato masher, quite a handy little tool in the kitchen. And then what we've done is we've chopped some strawberries. The one thing that's very important when you work with strawberries, there's a couple things actually, but when you get the strawberries fresh picked, you don't want to wash them till right before you're getting ready to use them. They will contain a bit of water. And so the other important thing is that it's somewhat dry when you get it into making the butter. So we've chopped it. We're going to take some of the strawberries. You want about 4 ounces or so, maybe 2 or so, to go into the butter. I probably chopped about 4 ounces, but we're going to go ahead and add it to the softened butter. As you can see, what I've done is I've taken the green off, and you just want to do a rough chop on it to get it ready to go into the butter. You could use a food processor if you want to. That is totally up to you, but it's not something that's totally necessary. So those can be off to the side while we've added the other strawberries. The other thing that's important is most chefs, and particularly me, we use unsalted butter when we cook. So whenever you do a recipe like this, you actually do want to add a little bit of salt. So just a pinch or so. Unless you happen to buy salted butter, then you would not need to do that. So we've added the salt. Now we're just going to mash the butter with the strawberries. This is a delicious recipe. I make strawberry rolls as well. And we'll put the strawberry butter on the strawberry rolls, fresh hot out of the oven. So we've done pretty much with the masher. Now we're just going to use our spatula. Get it nice and mixed in. Once you get it mixed to the consistency you want, then you can add it to whatever container you want to keep it in. I keep mine in a mason jar here with a lid, and it does freeze well. So you can put it in the freezer if you don't use it all within a week or so. Or you can leave it in the jar in the refrigerator and use it. This is pretty much done at this point. Another little tip is if you feel like it's too wet when you chop it on your cutting board, just kind of dab it a little bit with paper towels. Makes it a little easier because you really don't want a whole lot of wet. Then you want to get some fresh sliced bread. I was fortunate enough to receive this loaf from a friend yesterday. Absolutely beautiful bread. And we're going to take it and spread it on our bread. Strawberry butter. Can you just imagine how this would taste on a hot piece of bread? All right, and there you have it, strawberry butter. Hopefully not a lot in my mouth there. All right, strawberry butter. I'm Tammy Brawley with the Green Kitchen, and we'll see you next time on Heart of the Home.
Recipes from the Heart of the Home can be found on the Virginia Farm Bureau website at vafb.com/recipes, as well as on Chef Tammy Brawley's website at greenkitchenrichmond.com.